This is continuation from patient page, part 7. Let's see treatment. Treatment consists of procedures, injections and medicines. Click Procedure to list all procedures performed for this patient, grouped by year. All procedures performed for this patient will be listed here, grouped by year. Clicking on the year will list the procedures for that year. Click Injection to list all injections recorded for this patient, grouped by year. All injections recorded for this patient will be listed here, grouped by year. Clicking on the year will list the injections for that year. Click Medicine to list all medicines recorded for this patient, grouped by year. All medicines recorded for this patient will be listed here, grouped by year. Clicking on the year will list the medicines for that year. If more procedures need to be added, click on the last row's number. Up to 8 procedures can be added. If more injections need to be added, click on the last row's number. Up to 8 injections can be added. If more medicines need to be added, click on the last row's number. Up to 15 medicines can be added. To add a procedure, search and select the procedure here. The patient price will be automatically filled and can be changed if necessary. However, if sales price adjustment is disabled for the user, this default price cannot be changed. Refer Login ID application and approval. Enter any remarks for the procedure here. To remove a procedure, double-click this field. When a procedure is searched and selected, option will be given whether to load the associated procedures, injections or medicines automatically, applicable only for procedures with associated items saved. Refer Add/Remove Procedure/Surgery. These are the associated procedures, injections or medicines loaded automatically upon selection of a procedure. This semi-transparent icon indicates that no consent is saved. Click this icon to show the consent. This is the default consent. It can be edited further. If consent templates have been saved, they will be available here. Refer Consent Templates. These are the signatories and their signatures. If Intel SysAssist app is used, the digital signatures can be taken on tablets with stylus and will be automatically available here. Click Save to save this consent. When consent has been saved, this icon will no longer be semi-transparent. To view the consent and the signatures saved, click this icon again. If the procedure is not available in the clinic's list, it can be added under If Others. This procedure which is not in the clinic's list can be suggested to be added into the clinic's list by clicking this box. To add an injection, search and select here. The prefix, Na, indicates that this injection is not in stock, and if still selected, the batch number will not be available. The price per unit will be loaded automatically here and can be changed. However, if sales price adjustment is disabled for the user, this default price cannot be changed. Refer Login ID application and approval. When an item that is not in stock is selected, the quantity field will be marked red. Note that stocks are only reduced once batch numbers are saved in the collection page. If injections are mixed and administered, the mixed proportions must be specified. Click this plus icon. Tick Combine with 1 to indicate that injection 2 is combined with injection 1. Specify the quantities being mixed. Accurate quantities must be specified here to ensure accurate stock is maintained in the inventory. Clicking the red dot will suggest the price entered by the user here to be added as the default price, so that this price will be automatically loaded in the future, only applicable if no default price is available. To show the generic names of the injections and medicines, click Info off till Info on as shown. When mouse is hovered on the injection or medicine with Info on, the generic name will be shown above the injection or medicine. To disable this, click Info until Info off is shown. When A, auto, is shown here, injections can only be searched and selected from the inventory list. To be able to manually add injections that are not in the inventory list, click this button till M is shown. When M, manual, is shown, injections cannot be selected from the inventory list but must be manually typed in. This is strongly discouraged. Click M till A is shown to revert. D indicates that this medicine is being dispensed from this clinic and stock will be affected once batch number is saved in the collection page. To issue prescription only, click D till P is shown. P indicates that this medicine is being prescribed and not dispensed by this clinic, therefore the stock is unaffected. The medicine to be prescribed can be searched and selected. When medicine is being prescribed, only the duration is required. Specify the dosage for the prescribed medicine. The prescription will be available to be printed in the collections page here. If the medicine is being dispensed from the clinic, make sure D is selected here. Search and select the medicine to add. The asterisk prefix indicates that this medicine's stock is low, while the prefix Na indicates that this medicine is not in stock, and if still selected, the batch number will not be available. The price per unit is automatically loaded here and can be changed. However, if sales price adjustment is disabled for the user, this default price cannot be changed. Refer Login ID application and approval. Hovering the mouse on the unit will show the unit of measurement for this medicine. This must be known before quantity can be specified. In this example, the unit is 1C. Specify the quantity here in the correct unit of measurement. Pay attention to the unit to avoid mistakes. E.g., if the unit is 1 ml, specifying the quantity as 1 indicates that only 1 ml is dispensed to the patient. The patient price will be automatically calculated. Search and select the dosage here. To manually type in the medicine instead of searching and selecting, click A. When M, manual, is shown, the medicine can be manually typed in, and search and select will be disabled. This is strongly discouraged. Click M till A is shown to revert. Clicking P will show the saved medicines packages. These are the saved medicines packages. Clicking any of these packages will automatically load the medicines in that package. Medicine with this arrow is to be mixed with the above medicine. To save a new medicines package, enter the medicines first along with the quantities and dosages, then click S. Specify the name of this package. If public is ticked, this package will be available to other doctors as well. And click Save to save this medicines package. To view or to delete the medicines package, click P. The package can be deleted by clicking this icon. If the medicine's default price is not saved in the inventory, a red dot will be shown at the top left corner. Clicking this red dot will suggest the price entered by the user here to be added as the default price, so that this price will be automatically loaded in the future. Similarly, if the medicine's default dosage is not saved in the inventory, a red dot will be shown at the top left corner. Clicking this red dot will suggest the dosage entered by the user here to be added as the default dosage, so that this dosage will be automatically loaded in the future. If medicine are mixed or compounded, click plus to specify the details. Tick Combine with 1 to indicate that medicine 2 is to be combined with medicine 1. The quantities to be mixed/compounded must be specified accurately. When this is ticked and the doses specified, automated SMS will be sent to remind the patient of the doses. For example, if TDS dosing is specified, patient will receive SMS reminder 3 times a day, subject to SMS credit balance and internet. If this is ticked and number of days specified, patient will receive automated SMS at the completion of the medicine. In this example, SMS will be sent at the 5th day from the date of this visit. Remarks can be specified here and will be available at the collections page. This remark is only for internal use and not for patient's view. Medicines with remarks saved will be indicated with this red box in the collections page. Clicking the red box will show the remarks entered by the doctor. Hovering the mouse on I will show the indications and dosage info for the medicine or injection, as saved in the inventory page. This is the total of all procedures, injections and medicines. Click this for the dosage calculator. Specify the dose here. Weight will be automatically filled up as saved in history/examination. Specify the concentration of the medicine. And click Calculate. The calculated dosage will be shown here. The calculated dosage can be dragged and dropped into the respective medicine dosage field. Quantities highlighted in red boxes mean the stocks available in clinic are insufficient. When more than one medicines are specified, the possible interactions can be checked. Click Interactions to show the drug's interactions checker. This column lists the drugs in this visit. This column lists the specified drugs equivalent drugs from the U.S. National Library of Medicine, NLM. Click Get Interactions. The possible interactions will be shown here. When the NLM equivalent cannot be ascertained, manual search in NLM library has to be done. Specify the drug to be searched here. And click S to search. The search results will be shown here. If any, select the matching drug from this search result. And click Get Interactions. The possible interactions with these three drugs will be shown here. Click Interactions to close this box. To be continued in Patient Page, Part 9.